So $170,000 from $15,000. Hey guys, it's Nate. Welcome back to the channel. So today I thought we would talk about cryptocurrency, in specific Ethereum, and my not so great experience with it. So hopefully you don't make the same mistakes that I did. So when I looked at Ethereum, I researched it extensively. I saw that they were moving to a new proof of stake method as of Ethereum 2.0. I saw that there were opportunities to make money passively by utilizing proof of stake and becoming a validator node and getting interest anywhere from between 2 to 18%. And I also did a lot of research on exactly what smart contracts are, and that's really what differentiates Ethereum from Bitcoin. Finally, I even built a validator node myself, just a computer running Linux that I was eventually going to install the validator software on. So if I did all this, where did I lose money? So the fundamentals were solid, but I made a lot of rookie mistakes on trading. So instead of just believing in my fundamentals, buying Ethereum and holding on to it, I tried to swing trade. So for those of you that don't know, swing trading is basically, it's when you try and buy and sell an asset, trying to time the market swings. So crypto is volatile. You can make money swing trading, but my use case, my fundamental case for trading Ethereum was really based on the fundamentals. So when you're trading on fundamentals, really, you should be looking at, well, why are you getting into the trade? Does it make sense at the price? And where is this going to go? And so for me, I had checked all those boxes. But instead, I tried to swing trade. And ultimately, I kind of ended up buying around 365 and selling at 355. I would get spooked. I wasn't sleeping well. And because of this, I ended up losing about $700 on swing trading. So my expectation, I always figured that Ethereum would go higher than 365, but I was trying to time the market and to try and get in at the absolute bottom. And that's almost impossible to predict. And so because of this, I kept buying, I kept selling, I kept paying the fees. And so I lost, like I said, about 700. And ultimately, I wasn't able to partake in the massive explosion of Ethereum. So Ethereum at its high was at 4,100. If I had just stuck with my fundamentals, that's almost so I had invested initially 15,000. That would have been worth almost $170,000. So $170,000 from $15,000. So one of my other mistakes I made is just not understanding how trades work. I put in a limit sell thinking it would work a specific way, but it didn't. And that ended up stopping me out of the market at a loss that I probably wouldn't have realized if I understood what I was doing. Remember, one thing to know about trading is that you don't realize a loss until you sell. So if you bought it, and this doesn't apply to you if you're on a margin account, but if you bought the shares outright and you hold them, you're not going to realize a loss until you actually sell it for under what you bought it for. But if you think there's a strong fundamental case, you can hold it until it comes up to the value that you think it's worth and sell it at that time. Try not to get spooked out of the market. I think that's how a lot of people, like myself, make mistakes when they're starting out. All right, guys, that was it. Just a real quick video today. Don't make the same mistakes that I made. Good luck, and I'll see you next time. Thanks. Bye.